Good night. Personal presentation. My name is Daisy Sudani Fernandez Contreras. I am 25 years old. I am Colombian. I live in Sauramena City and live with my daughter. She is Naomi. I am studying environment engineering. My parents are Leopoldo Fernandez and Maribel Contreras. I like playing soccer, watching TV, and sleeping. I don't like reading and swimming. Last trip. 3 years ago, I was in Los Héroes, Boyacá. Looked in Boyacá. I was participating in sport. The time when I was traveling winter. Then Sunday, I went to the park with my mother and daughter in the place. We observed the monuments. Fisher Street. I was going to visit my father. He lives in Campo Hermoso. I will travel with my daughter. My father lives on a farm. The farm has many animals. Thanks.